Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the volume level in your Yamaha earbuds. So at first here, now you need to take the right earbud. This is this one, as you can see, with these two buttons. So wait a minute, I need to check out if this is the right one. I think that it is. So once you have this earbud in your hands, you need to search for these two buttons at the top. There is one with this circle and one without. So once you have this thing here, you need to click plus over here to increase the volume level and minus to decrease. And that's how it works. Goodbye.